The DTC February site was a bit less stringent in its schedule as DTC continued to offer goods past Friday's close, giving site holders that extra chance to snap up rejected boxes this week. DTC plans to review this more relaxed process for future sites to allow more flexibility in the market at this time of weak demand. Total site estimate came in at about $110 million, with observers giving a range from as low as $80 million to as high as $120 million. This was the third consecutive site value near that $100 million mark. Now, 1 year ago, the site was valued at $600 million, with observers reporting a price increase on some boxes. Comments from this week, though, indicated that the shock of the market collapse begun in September has worn off a bit, and that new, albeit much lower trading levels seem to give hope that maybe we have reached the bottom. Additionally, this week, De Beers reported more details from its annual report, saying Diamondale Group sales fell 17% in 2008 to $444 million, and De Beers Diamond Jewelers sales rose 6%, but it did not provide sales figures. In all, De Beers Group sales rose 1% last year to almost $7 billion, and rough sales were flat at $6 billion. Zach joins me now with observations from Israel. Hi, Zach.
Hi Jeff. I can confirm similar sentiment here in Ramat Gan to the DTC site observers. Traders here are getting used to this low-level activity, so at least there's no additional shock to deflate a slowly improved level of confidence. Now, IDI has done a great deal of work in support of Israeli diamantaires for the Hong Kong show. We hear there's 61 registered dealers. That number doesn't account for all the people sharing space or just attending the show. Some traders here opted not to go to the show, but they sent goods along with those who were making the trip with hopes to sell on commission. It's important to remember that for Israelis especially, this show is not just about Hong Kong or even mainland China. It's a doorway for Israelis to penetrate key markets: Vietnam, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, Malaysia, as well as the Gulf states like Saudi Arabia and the UAE, which aren't exactly easy to reach from Israel. The conventional wisdom suggests that if things are going to pick up, they're going to do it in Hong Kong. So until next week, we'll keep our fingers crossed.
Okay, yeah, we wish them all good luck in Hong Kong. Thank you, Zach. Retailer Robbins Bros in California filed Chapter 11 reorganization this week. The jeweler has been negotiating with vendors and possible buyers and investors since November. Pending court approval and no higher bids, Spence Diamonds and Robbins Bros Jewellery Incorporated will acquire Robbins Bros assets. Spence Diamonds, a retailer in Canada, offered $3.5 million for certain assets in Texas and Illinois. Rio Tinto will host a unique tender of blue diamonds from the Argyle diamond mine. Now, this collection, called Once in a Blue Moon, has premium and commercial quality stones, single cuts, matching pairs, and smaller diamonds. Bids for the goods close on April 8th, and Rio Tinto plans to show the diamonds in Perth, Hong Kong, and Tokyo. Collectors Universe dropped out of the competitive diamond grading marketplace. The group acquired GCAL in November for 2005 for $3 million, and that included the publishing rights to Don Palmieri's Market Monitor. In an email this week, Don said his group would continue operating GCAL. Collectors Universe bought AGL in August 2006 for about $3.5 million. Partnership Africa Canada released a scathing report against the Kimberley process regarding diamonds in Zimbabwe. The group called for the immediate suspension of Zimbabwe, citing smuggling and human rights abuses from the nation's diamond fields. It also called upon the UN Security Council to place an embargo on diamonds in Zimbabwe. In precious metals news, gold on the decline due to a sell-off. It seems investors are really jumping into Wall Street stocks right now to scoop up bargains. On the week, gold is down 5% to $901.60 an ounce. Platinum barely moved, $1,046. Silver down 5% to $12.85 an ounce. For all the latest news, please visit diamonds.net.